Hey guys, Nevada Conley. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Canva. I am going to do a beginner's tutorial on how to use Canva. Canva's great. There is a paid version, there's a free version, and honestly, if you can use the free version if you want to. There are so many options on the free version. It's amazing. So you can use Canva for all sorts of different things. You can actually create little videos on Canva. You can use it for all of your social media posts, for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can create your YouTube thumbnails with it. So Canva really is a great tool. So I'm going to actually take you inside my Canva account and just show you how you can use the different tools that Canva offers. So before we dive into Canva, just make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. I am posting videos just on my affiliate marketing journey. I'm just sharing with you guys the different tools that I'm using, what I'm learning as I go. So if you're at all interested in following along and seeing what I'm doing, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into Canva. Okay, guys, so here we are at canva.com. So you can, if you don't have an account with Canva already, you can create one. Super easy to create one. You can create one with Google, with Facebook, with Apple, or you can, make up your own password and email and everything. So I already have a Canva account, so we're just gonna go over to my Canva account. Okay, here we are, guys. We are inside my Canva account. And so just kind of a quick overview across this top line here. This is obviously your home button. And then templates, you can just actually like click on any one of these and it takes you straight to all of the templates. So Canva's pretty awesome because you can do so much with it. And then if you want to, so then these are the same thing. So down here you can click on presentations and it takes you to all these different presentations you can do. Social media, it gives you all of the different, like it automatically puts up, like it gives you the exact pixels that you need for Instagram, Facebook, your story, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnail. I use that one. I use this often, and Instagram posts and stuff. You can actually even create little videos on here. So Canva's pretty cool because you can just do so much with it. And then as you scroll down, these are all my designs that I've made. And then they give you just different ideas. So like Instagram posts here, if you wanted to make some posters, they just give you templates that you can just use. And then I'll show you how you can click onto those and change some things if you want. So, and then this is the other thing that's pretty cool. So it saves all of your designs for you. So you can click on all your designs and then it pulls up everything that you've done. If anybody's shared anything with you, you can go to their brand kit. So you can actually save all of the colors and different fonts that you like to use. If you have, like if you have a brand and you have specific stuff that you like to use, it saves it for you. So you can just click on everything, which is super, super nice. And then folders, you can create new folders and save things as you go along into all the different folders. If you have, you could create a Facebook folder, an Instagram folder, flyer folder, anything you want. So let's go back home and I will show you some of the cool things here that we can do with Canva. So I'll pull up some of these. I'll just show you some of like the templates. So, and let's find one that, so like so like this one. So if we click on this one, it'll automatically just throw it over there. And then as you hover over all these different things, these are all the different, different shapes and elements and stuff that Canva's already put together as a template. So you can just click on it and then you can, change anything that you want in here or add to it. And so, or you can even change the font. So you can highlight it here and then, pick whatever font you want to use, change it to. You can make this bigger. You can make it italicized, bold. So pretty cool. And then even on these little, on these little element things over here, if you click on this color button, you can change the color to whatever color you want. So these are the colors that are already being used in the document. Then these are my saved, my saved brand colors. But then you can go down here to this,
default, or you can click up here and you can go across this color wheel and pick any color that you want. So that's pretty cool. And then these, you can shift these and move these, you know, however you want and move them around. And then this is, or you can crop it. So then, you know, it allows you to crop it however you want. You can flip it. That just means it's gonna flip it either horizontally or flip it vertically. Position means like, so you can move it either in front of or behind. So if we put it like behind the writing and then we bring it forward, it will bring it to in front of everything, or you can move it to the back. And yeah, so those are pretty cool. So these are, you know, just like automatically made, or, you know, they're templates that have already been set up by Canva for you. And the other cool thing is when you move these things around, you see those pink lines that kind of go through it. So that's telling you you're exactly in the middle, which is nice, of both of those. So your center, you know, your center both horizontally and vertically. So that's kind of a nice little trick that they give you. So one of the other things too that's pretty cool, now there's a paid version and a free version of Canva. So let's just go back home and we'll open up a new template here and kind of start from scratch. We'll just go back to, let's do a, like, let's make a, we could do a YouTube thumbnail. So so yeah, like I was saying, there's free version and there's a paid version. So there are lots of things available in the free version. I do have the paid version. So as we go through some of these things, you'll see like if it says pro, how it says pro right down here in the corner, that means it's a paid, you have to pay for it. But there are quite a few things in here that are free that you don't have to pay for. So, you know, like all of these shapes and everything I'm hovering over is all free, which is cool. And then photos. These ones are mostly paid for. I think the farther down you go, they get to be free. But so let's see what else we can do. So I wanted to show you this. This is a paid, one of the paid elements, but like the other day when I made a, you know, like when I go to make my YouTube thumbnails, this is one of the coolest things that this is why I ended up paying for it actually, is to do this background remover. So, you know, when you see the faces of people on their YouTube thumbnail, you just go over here and click this background remover and watch this magic. Takes a minute. Boom. And there it is. And so then you can move it around and, you know, put it on the page however you want. And then there are some filters. So you can pick a filter if you want to, you know, do some sort of filter with the picture, you can. Or, oops, let's go one more. Let's see, adjust. So this is where you can adjust like the brightness and the contrast. So you can make it a higher contrast. You can turn up the brightness if you want, or turn it down. You can even blur things like this. So those are the adjustments. Let's see, one of the other effects is the shadows. This is another one that I really like. So if you click on this glow, let's change the background color here really quick. So if we want to, oh, and then so actually let's go over here and do this. So if we click on backgrounds, I'll show you they have all these different backgrounds. So free, 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 free. So you can just pick any background that you want and you just click on it and then it throws it up there for you. Sure, we'll do, what are those, yellow watermelons maybe? But again, you can kind of mess with the color too if you want. So you can change the color to anything that you want. So then if we go back to my picture here and we click on shadows, and then it pops up with these little lines on the inside. So you hit that one more time and then you can, it brings up another one here. So you can see how when I change this, it makes the line around me bigger. So if we click on this and we change this color to white, And then we make the transparency all the way over. I believe we can make this blur line bigger and the size bigger. And then that's how when you see all these YouTube, YouTube videos with that line around it, kind of makes it look like cartoony almost. You're basically just trying to make your picture stand out, right? So you can create that line around your picture, like you see on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. And then let's see, I'll show you some of the elements you can put in here. So then you can just find all sorts of different shapes and stuff. If you click on the arrow, it'll take you to all of them. So we could just let's see, I guess I didn't want that one. We could click on this guy here and it'll throw the shape up there for you. You can make it bigger, you can rotate it. So then you could put some, writing inside there, or make it a little bit smaller and, looks like I'm holding it on my hand, right? And then you could go here and click on text. And so then there's heading, subheading, or a little bit of text. So it's going to throw it on there either bigger or smaller. So if we go with heading, we can move it over here. And let's see, we can say, I love social media. And then we can change the font if we want. Kind of big and blocky. And then you can change the font size, like so. And you could twist it. And then we could even do another, like if we wanted to add another little element in here, we could put, let's see. Where's the little, I like to put a little like a rectangle behind. Let's see, but I'm not seeing it right off the bat here. Shapes, well, let's get shapes. There we go. So this one here, if we put this, oh, see, but that's a paid one. Oh, there we go. And we can make this smaller, and then you can just slide that right over this guy here and twist it. And then we go, let's change the color to white and position backward. Perfect. Well, not perfect. It needs to shift more. This is when my OCD, perfectionism stuff kicks in here. Yeah, so it just super fun stuff that you can do with Canva, and you can actually create like videos and all sorts of things. You can even add audio. So if you wanted to add sound, you can click on that and it'll just play those few seconds. And then up here you can so you can change whatever section of it you want. So you can kind of edit it as you go. You can also add a video if you wanted to add some sort of video to it. We could add, let's see, these are a couple free ones. If we click on it, it'll pop up there. So if you wanted to put a video on there, have kind of like a moving picture, you can do that. But I'm going to delete it for now. And I showed you the backgrounds. There's lots of different backgrounds that you can put in there. You can even, like if we search backgrounds, let's see, we could just say like, and see what pops up. Nope, nothing. Dog. No. Oh, maybe because it has to be a picture. That's what it is, photos. If you do that, oh, see, I searched dog earlier. Dog. Then you can put, you could just, like this guy, this looks like my puppy dog. We could throw him in there. And then actually, if you can right click on this and you can click on replace background or fill in, like it will, make it the whole background. And yeah, so anyways, you can put pictures as your background too, and then you can edit this picture too with it, the different effects and filters, and you can adjust the same thing. You can adjust the brightness, make it lighter, darker, contrast. So yeah, lots of different stuff you can do with this, guys. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and that bell notification. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it, how you use Canva, if you have any other tips and tricks. I would love to hear it. Okay, thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.